Outstanding design defines the 2020 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and much more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.